Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Callie, and today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me of my screen porch for Christmas. So I wanted to go ahead and just get this all cleaned up. I started with vacuuming, and then I'm just going to clean off my coffee table. I took down all of my fall decor and just kind of needed to straighten up out here before I brought anything out. So I'm going to start by doing that. Also, I'm so sorry this video is just now being put up. I was planning on doing it last week, but I dislocated my knee. As you can see, I have a brace on there, but I dislocated my kneecap mopping. I slipped and fell, and it was just a total mess. So I haven't really been able to walk or get around. So I had to put a hold on this video, but I wanted to still get it up for you guys because I love the way that it turned out. So I'm just going to start by decorating my coffee table here, and then at the very end, I will show you where everything is from. And I just really wanted to decorate out here for Christmas this year. I love looking out here and seeing all the lights at night, and it's just really cozy. We've sat out here with hot chocolate and just kind of looked at the tree, and it's just been really fun to have a Christmas setting out here this year. This is the first year that I've put a tree out here, so it was really fun, and I'm just going to kind of bring you guys along with me as I decorate out here, and then I'll give you a full tour at the end. Alright, so another thing that I did was I took off our bar top tables that we have out here, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link my other screen porch videos down below for you guys. And excuse the crows in the background. I don't know what it is about this time of day, but they want to go crazy, so just ignore that noise. But anyway, I took these down to our basement just to give us a few more feet of room out here and just open things up, since we won't be eating on those bar tops until at least spring because it's going to be chilly here. So I took those off and took those down to the basement, and it opened up a lot more room. But I do love having those out here to eat on when it's warm out here. And then I'll show you the rest of the room. So for my Christmas tree out here, this Christmas tree is from Walmart, and they accidentally gave me this one instead of a white one that I wanted for my playroom. And I was gonna return it. It was only $30. It came unlit. But I thought, you know what, I think I'm going to put it out on my screen porch. And so I just put some lights on it. I didn't want to put ornaments on it. I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. So I just stuck some ribbon in it and some lights and a cute little star tree topper up there. And that looks really pretty at night. It's really fun to just look out here at night and see this all lit up. And then down below here, this little basket that I had my tree in, I used it a few years ago for my inside Christmas tree. So I just went ahead and stuck this little guy in here. So I just have this blanket so that you can't really see where the tree starts and stops. And then I just threw these Merry Christmas Y'all pillows down here because I thought the gold in the pillows matched with the gold in the basket. So that is my screen porch Christmas tree. And again, it's just really simple. I just wanted something out here that was just lit up, no ornaments. So then on this wall, I just stuck some little lanterns up here, and they just have little tea lights in them. That one's gonna look a little bit strange because the sun is hitting it. But that's what I have over here beside the tree. This is a little wine cart that we used to have in our house, but I brought it out here because I thought it fit perfectly in this space. And so I stuck this Merry Christmas sign that I got from Kirkland's a few years ago, I think. I just went ahead and stuck that up there. Those little green and white cone trees that light up are from Kirkland's from a few years ago. And then I got this little truck with the trees and the star in the back at Target. The truck just has a really cute wreath on the front, and I thought that that green tied in with the cones over there. And then I got this star from Target as well. And then this is just a birdhouse that I use on my mantle in the summer, and I thought that I needed some like height variation over here to match with this side. So I brought that out here, and then I just stuck some fake snow all around. And then these little lights are from Hobby Lobby. I showed those in a haul a few weeks ago, and they're really cool. This is what they look like up close. They just have little bottle brush trees in there and some fake snow, and they light up, and you can put them on a timer, which is really great. So I just strung 2 of those on this bar cart. And then I saw these little houses at Target, and I thought they were so cute, so I just stuck those down here. I think I want to get another set, or 2 sets, and put them going the whole distance. So I think I'm going to do that as well. These were in the Target dollar spot, but I think they were $5 for 2. So that's what I have going on over on my little bar cart area. Again, I don't use it for like a bar area unless we're having people over. I usually just decorate it. So then for our sectional, I got this at Wayfair a few years ago, and then these little pillows of the woodland animals are from Amazon, I believe. And then that little throw blanket back there is actually a tablecloth, and I got that at Hobby Lobby, but I just use it as an outside throw blanket because it doesn't mold or anything like that, which is perfect. And then down here on my little outdoor coffee table, I just have this little tray that says get warm and cozy. You can't see it because I have it covered up with snow, but that is from Hobby Lobby. And then everything else in this tray is from Target. I thought these trees were really neat this year. They're kind of Grinch-like, which I really like. And then this snow globe is from Target as well, and it's just got the year on it. I think that's really cool just to have throughout the years, and 2020 has been crazy, y'all. So, and then this little deer is from Target too, and then I just again sprinkled some snow down in there. A cool thing about the sign from my coffee table is it's 2-sided. I got this at the Target dollar spot. One side has a stocking on it, and then the other side just has a Christmas to-do list. Okay, so this is just a view of the whole room. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a panoramic view of what everything looks like and show you what it would be like if you walked out onto my screen porch. So I love the way that it turned out. It's really simple, but it's just really relaxing and cozy out here. Again, we love just having hot chocolate and looking at the tree and snuggling up, so that's really fun. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Definitely click that red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.